Adding lithology markup to your logs. Go to Tools, Lithologies, select your lithology, click in the log, grab the handle on the bottom right corner and we can freehand the size and position. Hit the delete key and remove it. Let's select gravel or conglomerate and let's lock the track. We can select the position and size. We also have alternative backgrounds. By left clicking on the swatch we can toggle through all our created backgrounds. I saw a black one in there which isn't very interesting, so I'll right click, clear the background, and the next one on the list was just a clear, so let's add it, and all the lithologies snap. You can create custom gradient backgrounds. Let's add another color. It'll be red. Let's make the center yellow. We can save all our changes to our background colors. We can set the size of the background image just by clicking on our size button here. We can round the edges. We can also use the control arrow keys to make slight adjustments in the lithology, and then a control shift arrow will adjust the size. And if we want alternative information for the tooltip, we can add it here. And that's how easy it is to add lithologies.